Good day everyone, we are looking at the gold US dollar 4 hour chart. From the analysis here, we can see that this was the last horizontal resistance level we have here. Horizontal resistance level, this was the last. And we can see that the market gave us a lower high here. It failed to get back to the horizontal resistance. A lower high here before breaking structure to the downside, giving us a lower low. So we are expecting now a lower high again around this area. So the market should be doing something like a bullish correction here. This trend line now we see here is serving as the diagonal or ascending support. We can use to get buys in this bullish correction. So going down to the 1 hour chart, you can see here that the trend line here has been used here and here. So upon coming back here again, we should be looking for our buy opportunities. So we can go down again to the 15-minute chart. From the 15-minute chart here, we'll try to get our buys here. So to get our buy, then looking at it here, we have a low here on the correction, a high here, a higher low, a higher high, and then a higher low. So we are looking for a buy opportunity here because we are expecting a higher high on this correction phase. Then we have a structure here. We can see that what happened here, price mitigated this fair value gap which we have here. You can see a weak rejection here. There is a weak rejection here, this weak rejection, indicating that the price is rejected, that is the buyers are strengthening. So there was a liquidity sweep here. You can see that there was a double bottom, and then we had a wick here which liquidated this double bottom, which is liquidity sweep. That's why we can see the price pushing up. So now we have a change of character. We can see that price was able to take out the last immediate resistance which we have there. So we place a buy position. Yes, this is the resistance which we have here. This is the immediate resistance zone. You can see a large bullish candle taking it out. So now we are opening a buy position from here now. A buy position which is a long position, long. Our entry is here, where we have the price now. Okay, this is the entry around here, somewhere around here. And then the stop loss just below this slight consolidation here. Then we target times 2 to the upside. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame so we can have a better view. Okay, we are targeting times 2 to the upside. A 1:2 is to what? Okay. Okay, this is a 1:2. We are exiting early because this is a correction phase. So this is a 1:2 is to what? Let us see how this is going to play out now.